Good morning, Philippines! Hey, she's. It doesn't have a light on it? Mm-hmm. No light? What would you like me to do first? I thought I'd start you off by polishing my belt buckles. Oh, wait till it. You got it on high, right?
High?
I'll put it on high. Jeez. So you change the channel after it's over.
What? Just,
I figured you'd rather
what,
get
is
the
there
hand in the
some...
middle. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think this is good. Oh, I heard it. It's smokeless.
But the relative is no good. That's one of the things a little better.
No, it's fine. Even that one is not smokeless.
Well, that one's not supposed to be.
No, no, that one is still smoky.
I know, it's not supposed to be smokeless. This one is.
Don't worry, I will block you in my editing. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I'm putting there. Mashed potatoes, rice, vegetables, all the above, none of the above.
It's not enough. A little bit. It's good that the dripper is different.
And the meat is being cooked, so it'll be quick. Alright.
Is it safety on eating this?
What?
Is it safety eating this?
Is it safe?
Yeah, eating this.
Yeah, why not?
The way it's cooked like this.
Why not? It's cooked.
No, sit down. Down.
Down, Ross.
Down, Roxy.
Alright, down. Down. Up. We'll go. You stay down, that's where you belong. I know you think you belong everywhere.
Maybe you're pretty rowdy.
You said, hey, there's food thing going on up there. I can smell it, I can hear it, I can see it. The only thing I'm not able to do right now is taste it, and that's where I'm going. I didn't know it was supposed to be a miracle machine. It's a cookie machine. What do you want to drink? Water?
It's water.
What's yours?
No, this one. That's just for a few weeks. I will have it.
Kind of 50 weeks. Well, I don't know, yeah.
Is that over there?
Is it yours?
Yeah, that's...
All right.
No.
Laboratory. Another bean.
Thank you. Ayan yun, natin. I'm sure it's going to do the same. Can you take the Tabasco? I'll get it. Right there. This is also. Tabasco is good, huh? Nice to put vegetables here, huh?
You do it.
Huh?
You can do that.
There's more honey. You wanna use this tomorrow with your steak? Let's see how it cooks. I'm gonna put other bit there.
All right, Sheldon. There's only one thing left.
What do you think of this?
Don't worry. An easy one. Okay.
Well, it worked okay, but
But what?
it's way too much smoke.
You said it's smokeless.
That's so clean.
About my job, I want you to tell me I'm good at what I do. You're always been good at what you do.
Start to smoke this way.
You're always ripping on me.
Then
I'm sure.
I shut it off.
I've never said
Yeah, it's really smoke it off.
it's just that what you do is not worth doing.
It's like pork beauty guy.
Hmm?
Pork
Thank you, Sheldon.
cut like this.
Sorry, I can't. I gave it to him 3 days ago. Was really impressed. Wants to meet you. All right then. Thank you. Please let Professor Hawking know that I'm available at his earliest convenience. Voting might be a little more excited. Judge Frank Gabriel serving on 50 time